trying to get the gumballs out for an hour.
It's not working. Come on, come out, come out.
So silly, guys. You have to use a quarter.
What if I give it a good shake? Will it come out?
Of course not, Maria.
What if I press it really hard?
No way, Steffi. I'm sorry.
How do we get them out?
Yeah, how?
Let's go get some quarters.
Of course, that's it.
Where is the coin? I think it's here. Sorry, Stitch. Sorry, Cat. Sorry, Pikachu. Here it is. I've got the coin.
Not here. Looks not. I need a coin, not a donut. Where's the coin? I got it.
Wow!
It's red. I hope it works too.
Not here. No.
Where could it be? Not here. A quarter! Yay! I found it! Oof.
Huh? Nothing here. Oh, I remember. I found the coins. This is for you. Thank you, Dasha. We should go now.
Look, guys, I got a red unique coin.
Ivan, you could not use the red one. You need to use this coin.
But it's the same coin, just different color. What will happen? I will get sucked into the machine.
Stop, guys. I want to go first.
Sure, feel free.
Oh,
Get it out!
purple color. Alex, what flavor is it? I don't know yet, but it smells yummy. I'm next.
Twist, twist, twist.
Ooh.
Green color.
I hope it's very yummy.
I want to try.
Wow.
I want to try it right away. Feels like blueberry.
My turn now.
Twist, twist, twist.
Great.
They look delicious. I want to try one. I got this red coin.
Such a strange coin.
I think it'll work.
Twist, 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 twist. Where am I? What is this? Where's Ivan?
He was just standing here.
Yeah, then he disappeared.
Ivan, where are you?
Am I in a Gumball Machine? No way.
Maybe he ran away and we didn't notice?
Yeah, maybe. Let's go and play then. Hey, Maria, Stephanie, I'm here. Please help me.
Wait, did you hear that?
Yes. I'm right here. Girls, come on. I'm right here. Girls, it sounds like Ivan, but very strange. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Ivan, is that you?
I'm here. Bingo! You finally saw me. How did you get there? I don't know. I just put the coin, made a twist, and it just happened.
How can we help you if we don't even know how you got there?
How about you try to get the gumball and I'll just jump out? But we don't have any coins left. Huh? Wait a second. I got a spare one.
Lucky.
It was a really bad idea.
We got the gumball, but Ivan is still inside. I don't want it.
Okay guys, let's don't do this anymore.
Don't worry, we'll get you back. I promise.
We need to find the same red coin to get him out. Yes, the red coin. Try it. It might work. 1 minute. I've got the key.
Wow! So many coins. I got it, the red one. Let's hope our plan will work.
Hold on, Ivan. What just happened? Maria's inside too. I have to get them out. I'm inside the gumball machine too? Steffi, help us out!
Guys, are you okay?
You have to try a different color to undo what red coin did. Yeah! Trying to find the blue coin. I have to find the blue coin. Where it is? Nothing here. I need to find the blue coin. Can you open your mouth? Very strange place for a coin, but I have to hurry up. I found the blue coin. This should work. Hooray! 3, 2, 1, twist!
Thank you very much for saving us, Steffi.
I'm never going to that gumball machine again. It smells good, but it's so sticky.
I'm so happy you're back.
Hi there! We're arguing with Ivan to find out if Steffi can go to the supermarket by herself.
I think not. You will lose.
Hey, you older brother, you must believe in me.
We'll see.
Adults should trust little children. Ivan, you didn't become independent in one day.
What are we doing? I can't wait to win.
Let's see if Steffi can handle the shopping list.
Steffi, this is the store you're going to.
The item number 1 is strawberry. The item number 2 is milk. The item number 3 is eggs. The item number 4 is ketchup. And item number 5 is toothpaste. Okay, here's your money and your list. Here's our friend Kyle. He'll be filming you on the supermarket. We will watch you on the phone online. Let's make a deal with you, Ivan. If she will make it in 15 minutes, I will smash a neck in your head.
Okay, but if she doesn't make it, then I will smash a knife in your head.
Okay, here we go!
Steffi, you have only 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Let's see.
Yes.
I have to get all the items. First, strawberry. Strawberries.
She's finding strawberries.
Yeah, looking for strawberry. She found.
It doesn't do anything.
Let's look for milk now.
She's looking for milk.
My girl.
Wow, this is a lot of milk.
Yeah, a lot of milk, Steffi.
She did it again.
I have 3 to go.
Let's go, Steffi. I'm going to win, you know?
She's not gonna make it.
4 eggs now.
Okay, let's go for X.
She's going for X.
I'll smack an egg in her head.
Huh?
You can find X?
Uh-huh.
She can't find eggs. Let's go.
Steffi, you can do it.
What's that?
Eggs!
Oh no.
Ivan, you're about to lose.
I finally find eggs.
She is great. Look, Ivan, she uses the list.
Now look for ketchup. Where could be the ketchup?
She found the 3rd item already. 2 to go.
Oh, ketchup.
She found it.
Yeah, she found the ketchup.
Ketchup is my favorite.
Me too.
I don't understand, what is it? Ah, it's toothpaste.
Toothpaste, Steffi.
She understood it.
Let's look for it.
Hurry up, Steffi. Time's almost up.
Time is running out.
I don't have much time left. Let's hurry.
Go, 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 go. Steffi, Steffi.
Maybe we'll buy some chocolate?
Yeah. I like white.
But it's not in the list.
But don't take the chocolate.
No toothpaste.
Not here?
She can't find the
It can't
toothpaste.
find the toothpaste. I'm so nervous.
Here is my win.
No.
I cannot find the toothpaste. Where's the toothpaste? Ah, fine.
Not here. Oh, toothpaste? Is it toothpaste?
It's too high.
She's too sure to take the toothpaste. Ask for help, Steffi.
I should ask for help. Kyle, help me out.
Oh, okay. Which one you want? This one?
The Kyla helps her.
This one, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Kyle. The list is done. I want some candies. Let's see.
Think your dad will be happy you buy something out of the list?
I don't know.
Candies?
Ah, she can take sweets, but just one.
Yeah.
Which candy do you want?
I'm looking.
Candy is not on the list.
Not on the list.
Candies. Where are the candies? Let's go there. Let's go there. Here's the candy.
This one?
Yeah. I can't choose, but I choose already.
I'm not sure she has enough money for this,
Yeah.
for the candy.
I want some more sweets.
More sweets?
No way.
I want to try it now.
What's that? Popcorn!
Oopsies.
Oopsie!
We should just go away. We should run.
Don't go away! Clean this mess!
Kids, you should clean the mess you did.
For sure.
Время мало осталось. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up.
Let's go, Steffi, be quick. Keep going for cashier. Time's up, Steffi, hurry up!
You did it.
I can't believe she did it.
We'll see.
Daddy, hey, I did it.
Well done, Stasha. I knew you would succeed. I'm so proud of you.
Well done, little sister.
But we had one more thing to do. One, two, three.
Sorry, Steffi, I had to believe in you.
Oh yeah.
Ice cream.
Give me some ice cream, please.
Ice cream.
No, all the ice cream belongs to me. Kiwi, blueberry, pineapple, watermelon.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh no, my ice cream. No worries, I can make another one.
Hey! Excuse me?
What?
This one doesn't work. Let's try another flavor. Oops. Still doesn't work? No, I don't have any ice cream.
Awesome! Wow!
Orange. Green.
Excellent!
Yellow. Color red.
Wow!
Oh, gumball machine. Can I have one candy, please?
No, it's mine, Gumball Machine.
No way!
Mine machine. Orange juice. Grape juice. Yummy.
Drinks. I'm so thirsty. Can I have one drink, please, 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 please?
Noah, you didn't share your ice cream with me.
Hey!
One.
Two.
Three.
Steffi, can I have one donut, please?
No, you didn't share your ice cream with me earlier.
Fantastic.
Green, kiwi.
Yummy!
Orange, mandarin. Blue, blueberry.
Yummy! Chocolate fountains! Fruits! Can I have some, please?
No, chocolate fountains belong to me. You didn't share your ice cream when I asked you earlier, so my answer is no.
Marie, what's wrong? Why are you so sad?
My ice cream machine is broken. I can't use it now. Dasha, Alex, Ivan, Steffi did not share with me drinks, candies, donuts, and chocolate fountain.
They didn't share with you?
No way.
How bad of them! Come on, let's go! Alex, no more candies for you because I didn't share it with Mania.
Hey.
No more candies. So mine.
Oh no.
Mine also. No more donuts for you because I didn't share it with Maria.
What?
No more drinks for you because I didn't share it with Maria.
What?
No more chocolate fountain because I didn't share with Maria.
No way.
Stop! He didn't share with me because I didn't share with the others. It's not his fault.
I misunderstood. You can take your machine back.
Fantastic.
My apologies.
No problem.
Okay, thank you. Dasha, I was wrong.
No problem.
Sorry, I misunderstood.
Okay, Daddy. Oh, yes.
It is good you are honest and we've sorted things out. But it's bad that you didn't share the ice cream with the other kids.
Now I understand. Forgive me for my behavior.
It's okay. Come on, I will help you to fix your ice cream machine. Done!
Thank you so much, Dad. Right! My machine is working now, so I can share with all of my siblings.
Excellent idea, Maria.
Hey, everybody come here! I want to share ice cream with you.
Yay! I'm the first one. Watermelon.
Excellent.
Wow.
Blueberry. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, yes. I want to share too. Chocolate donuts, please. Okay.
Excellent.
I want to share too. Grape juice. Yay!
I'm so proud of you kids. You have to share with each other without expecting anything in return. Because...
Sharing is caring! Let's play Minecraft!
I'm excited! Look what we got here.
Wow!
Wow, it's the Minecraft swords. Can I have a look?
Let's play together.
Yeah!
Ha!
Maria, did you hear that?
I'm not sure. What is going on there?
It's creepers and zombies from the game.
We need to get out of here. Ah!
guys, all the way up. Don't worry, we will protect you.
But what should we do?
Take our weapons.
Wow!
Good luck.
Good job, Maria. Let's finish this one. Let's go. Okay, let's go downstairs.
Okay, but what if there's more creepers?
We will find out. Let's go.
See anyone?
No, I think it's clear. Come on.
There's no one here. Let's go. Oh no! Ivan, look! There's more mobs coming!
No worries, sister. Let's build a wall.
Yeah, we smashed it.
Oh no! They're breaking the wall.
Uh-oh.
But what do we do now?
Let's use a pickaxe.
Wow!
Maria, take this pickaxe.
Wow, I got a real pickaxe!
Now we need to make lava using a pickaxe. Go, sister, go! Go, sister, go!
Now we're safe.
Great job, sis. Now the mobs will not get us. They will drown in the lava. Ha ha ha!
You're not gonna get me.
Well done. Ha ha ha, look at them.
Ivan, look, they're still coming.
They're coming. Let's try the bow.
Ha!
Ooh. Ooh. Yes! We've got them all. Sis, finish him. Yay! Yes, we're the best Minecraft players now.
But how do we get out of here?
No worries.
Wow!
I've got the water bucket now. Wow, obsidian!
Hooray, we can get out of here!
3, 2, 1, take off your masks!
So big.
Kids, today you have a great opportunity to spend time in a special house and explore 12 different rooms.
First floor.
Wow, a chess room. Those are big. Let's arrange the pieces on the board. Wow, look at this one. This one is so bright. Don't be afraid to be different.
I like this art room so much. Drawing is one of my favorite hobbies. Wow! Just look at these markers. I've never drawn with this before. Well, let's try it together.
Whoa, basketball room. I'm champion. I wonder what kind of room is it? That's what I need. Now I get it.
Phew, creativity takes courage. How do you like my new drawing?
Kids, remember, you cannot watch TV for a long time.
Second floor.
Wow, this is a Rubik's Cube room. I got some skills for that. Check this out.
Aha!
Yeah! Yes! See guys, anyone can do it. You just need some practice.
Wow. Welcome to the upside down room. Boys' room. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Wow, Lego room. Oh, such a mess. Let's make it tidy. I think I made a good job. Welcome to the third floor.
Third floor.
Whoa! This is the best room. Wow! I don't know which I want. Oh. Whee!
So many phones. Bonjour, madame. Konnichiwa. Guten Morgen. Привет, як справи? Language skills makes it easier to communicate with everybody.
It's all empty. Just a shower. Nothing interesting. Wow, magic shower! Oh, so beautiful. Not a boring room at all.
Wow, a musical room! Music and singing are my favorite hobbies. Oh my god, I'll have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. Oh my god, I'll have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Did you like the house?
Yes! Guys, let's play hide and seek.
Great idea, Ivan.
Let's go!
Kids are always playing.
Oh, yes!
Wow.
What is this? Hey guys, look over here. What is this? Let's check it out. something interesting.
Wow, magic.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! X2? What does that mean?
Excellent. Wow. No way.
Hello. I am the real dad. No, I am the real dad. I am the real dad. No, I am the real dad.
Daddy, Daddy!
Huh?
Oh no! Dinosaurs! Let's run away!
What a beautiful tower I made.
Oh no. Hey.
Good job, guys!
Yay, playground!
Cool, let's go there!
Wow. Wow.
Let's go! Let's go!
It's so much fun here! I'm happy to have this on the wheel!
Hooray! 4-color slides!
Fantastic.
Let's slide down in the same time!
Yeah!
3, 2, 1! What happened?
I don't know.
Get ready, guys. I'm gonna give it a good spin.
Aha.
Oh well, let's go to the playground then.
Oh, yes!